All major banks have lowered interest rates ahead of this afternoon's review of the OCR. The Reserve Bank is announcing its latest decision at 2 p.m. The central bank's expected to slash the cash rate from 3% to either 2.75 or 2.5%. Banks are already pricing that in, or lowering the advertised one-year fixed-term home loan rates to 4.49%. Fresh concerns about postcode lottery in healthcare when it comes to emergency departments. Figures released to our newsroom show between the start of 2021 and the middle of the year, vouchers worth more than $13 million have been handed out to divert patients to private urgent care clinics or telehealth. Association of Salaried Medical Specialists Executive Director Sarah Dalton says some EDs use the system, but others don't. Rural communities could lose a lifeline as New Zealand Post is given more flexibility on its services. Its new agreement with MB lets the state-owned enterprise reduce rural deliveries from at least 5 times weekly to 3. Other areas will drop to 2 days a week, down from 3. Almost 400 postal outlets will also be allowed to close. Rural Women Interim CEO Nicola Eccleton says this will make things very difficult as people living hours from any shops rely heavily on NZ Post.
Their medical supplies, animal supplies, food, clothing, machinery, garden supplies.
Student attitudes to school attendance is on the rise. A new Education Review Office report shows students are taking school more seriously than 3 years ago, with 6 in 10 attending regularly, back to pre-COVID levels. Deputy Chief Executive Ruth Shinoda says both the government's focus on attendance and schools' efforts have contributed. She says a student is 5 times more likely to attend if they feel like they belong, while clear expectations for parents and students have helped. The Salvation Army is calling for an urgent ban on buy now, pay later alcohol sales. It warns the service is more available, including at bottle stores, supermarkets and online alcohol delivery services. Buy now, pay later allows people to purchase items with a small or no upfront cost and pay off the amount over time. Social policy analyst Anna Ika says it's limited to a small number of retailers so far, but it's a clear issue. Just released texts have revealed former Cabinet Minister Stuart Nash swore at the Trade Minister. Nash was dumped from a US trade mission after making vulgar remarks about women in an interview in September. Newstalk ZB can reveal Nash wrote to Todd McClay the day that decision was made, saying WTF in texts released under the Official Information Act. He wrote to the Trade Minister again a week later, saying he was, quote, so pissed off with the statement McClay made, which he called pretty expletive amateur.